Do you know why zucchini should be a part of your daily diet? Today we're going to reveal 12 powerful reasons that will convince you to make this versatile vegetable a regular on your plate. Reason 1. Zucchini is packed with nutrients. It's a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. This means it contributes to your overall health, supporting your immune system, heart function, and bone health. Reason 2. It's low in calories. If you're watching your weight or simply want to maintain a healthy diet, zucchini is a great choice. It's filling, yet low in calories, making it an excellent ingredient for a variety of dishes. The third reason is its high water content. Zucchini is made up of 95% water, which helps to keep you hydrated and promotes healthy digestion. Fourthly, zucchini is beneficial for your heart. It contains fiber, which can help lower cholesterol, and potassium, a heart-friendly mineral that regulates blood pressure. Reason 5. It's good for your eyes. Zucchini contains the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to improve vision and protect the eyes from harmful light. Moving on to reason 6. It's great for your skin. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in zucchini can help clear your skin and give it a healthy glow. Reason 7. Zucchini aids digestion. Its high fiber and water content can help prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut. Next up, reason 8. It's good for your bones. Zucchini is rich in the nutrients calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all of which are essential for bone health. Reason 9. It can help control diabetes. The fiber in zucchini can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial food for people with diabetes. Reason 10. Zucchini is beneficial for men's health. It's rich in antioxidants, which can help prevent prostate problems. Reason 11. It can help improve thyroid and adrenal functions. Zucchini is rich in vitamin C, which can support these vital glands in our body. And finally, reason 12. It's easy to incorporate into your meals. Whether you're grilling it, baking it, or adding it to your salads or pasta, zucchini is a versatile vegetable that can fit into almost any meal. So there we have it, 12 compelling reasons to make zucchini a staple in your diet. From improving your heart health to boosting your digestion, vision, skin, and bones, it's clear that this humble vegetable holds a wealth of benefits. So why not start adding zucchini to your meals today and reap the many health rewards it has to offer?